Hello, good afternoon. This is Susie. I am going to be making a little snack, or it could be a lunch. It is using just a bowl, any bowl. I took one of the fancier ones. Some strawberries or blueberries or whatever fruit you have lying around. We're going to wash them and cut them up. I did most of them. I'm just going to finish this up. And then I have some yogurt. Now, it doesn't matter if it's already has fruit in it or if it's plain yogurt. You could always jazz it up with either vanilla extract or some honey in it. What I like to do is I like to put about a good portion of it in the bottom. And then I got some of my trusty granola. Put that in. A few of my strawberries. And then layer. Layers are the key. So then we're going to use the rest of your yogurt and kind of make another layer. Then a little bit more granola. And the rest of our cut up fruit. And I chose strawberries because that's what I have and they needed to be used. So there's our little parfait. Sometimes you can see the different layers of it in it, which is pretty cool. So that's why I used a clear glass than colored, or one that you can't see through. But if that doesn't matter to you, use whatever you want. Hopefully you will enjoy your little snack. I'm gonna have mine now. Have a good one. Bye-bye.